Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing credentials and confirming the site. Enter your Moodle site URL exactly as provided. Once done, the app discovers available services. Make sure your account is active and mobile services are enabled by your administrator because the app relies on API access. If you need, switch to Wi-Fi to avoid cellular interruptions. Tap Login, then supply username and password. This step authenticates you and retrieves course listings, so accuracy now saves time later. Once authenticated, you may encounter two-factor or single sign on screens. Follow prompts and approve access so the app can fetch your data. Make sure to grant permissions for notifications and storage so files and announcements sync properly. Then open the dashboard and select courses to view. Use the download icon to make content available offline, which helps with unstable connections. Sync progress appears in the app. Monitor it and wait for all modules to finish loading before attempting quizzes or submissions. Finish by verifying functionality. Open a resource, view a file, and submit a small test assignment to confirm uploads work. If something fails, clear the app cache and restart, then re-log in to refresh tokens and synced content. Make sure your app is up to date and that the site URL has no trailing slashes or typos. If problems persist, contact your Moodle administrator to confirm mobile services are enabled and server certificates are valid. This is often the root cause when the app cannot connect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.